a YouTube creator, you can temporarily hide your YouTube content or permanently delete your YouTube channel. If you choose to temporarily hide your YouTube content, you can re-enable it later. On the other hand, deleting your entire YouTube channel is permanent and will also delete all community posts, comments, and replies. If you're sure you want to delete your channel, consider downloading all of your videos beforehand. On a computer, make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. Once signed in, go to Settings, select Advanced Settings, then select Delete Channel. Re-enter your password and click Next. This takes you to your two options. If you want to temporarily hide your channel, select I want to hide my channel. Then you will be shown what content will be hidden and what content will remain public. To confirm, tick the boxes and select Hide my channel. Confirm your decision and click Hide my content. Keep in mind, this action will make your entire channel private, including all your videos, playlists, likes, and subscriptions. Your comments will be permanently deleted and can't be restored. If you're absolutely sure you want to permanently delete your content, select I want to permanently delete my content. Again, there is no way to recover a channel you deleted, so be sure about your decision. If you want to move forward, tick the box and select Delete my content. Keep in mind, this will permanently delete all your YouTube content, including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, messages, search history, and watch history. This data can be restored. If you want to proceed, enter your email address here and click Delete my content. Deletion may take some time to be completed, so you might see thumbnails of your videos on YouTube for a bit. If you found this video helpful, take a quick second to like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more of my videos as they release. Thanks for watching.